Hi, my beautiful people. I hope you all are positive and doing well in your life. So, this is my Triple One Tarot English channel. If you want to enjoy the Hindi readings, then please let me know in comment section, and I will also give a link to the description box. So, guys, today I'm gonna tell you that what is the future of your connection. Okay, so if you are in no contact situation, and if you are in contact but on and off, whatever stage of your relationship is. Okay, so let's check. So this is collective general reading, may and may not be resonate with all, but I hope so it will resonate with everyone. Okay, so let's check. Okay, one more card. So we have bottom of the deck, Hermit reverse. I am taking reversals here because this is general collective reading. So what we have, this is the Tower. Then we have Eight of Pentacles, and then we have the Lovers. Okay. So what is the problem? Basically, what is the problem? Problem is that you are divinely guided in this relationship. Okay, you both are in a soulmate or twin flame journey. I don't want to tag every relationship, but whenever it is necessary, then I have to do it. Okay, so there is the Tower card. Maybe you and your person is in no contact situation, where you want a solid commitment with him, but he is not available for you because there is a transformation phase. Okay, there is a transformation phase. Transformation phase of your person will, of course, lead to so many important things in this universe, and it's really very important. Okay, so you have to manage with this. And then we have this Seven of Pentacles. So maybe your person right now busy in their self, their career, okay, to build the stability and to take the stability charge in their career. Okay, and then we have the Lovers. So Lovers significantly tells that yes, you both are divinely guided, and you both are twin flames. Okay, you both are soulmates. As we said, like a coin has two parts, head and tail. Okay, that's like you both are. So currently your person is not in a stable position. He is just busy in their career, and of course you are also. And I'm really very happy to see these two cards because these significantly tell me that yes, you are also in your built up of your career. Of course you are waiting for this person, but not at that intense moment, maybe not in that negative moment you are taking it like. Okay, let me check what currently you feel about your person, then we just check what your person feel about you. Okay, so we have two cards, and there is yes, as I told you. Okay, there is a heartbreak, major heartbreak, but there is a Six of Wands. That means victory. You want victory from this situation, and I'm just seeing that victory will be yours as soon as possible. But because of this Three of Swords energy, maybe you are in a negative situation so many times, but then suddenly you will change yourself in this victorious moment. Okay, so let me check what is your person's perspective, what he see in yourselves. Okay, the Lovers. Wow, let me pull out some more cards. Okay, so it's really very good thing to see this. Bottom of the deck we have the Ace of Pentacles. That means yes, he wants to give you a commitment. He wants to give you a stable commitment, stable proposal. As you see, there is Two of Cups and there is the Lovers. So of course, yes, you both are divinely guided persons, and this is in your contract that you have to meet. Then you both have to be happy with each other. You both have to be in separation moment and then reunite for this universe. And your person perspective is just like this. He or she, whatever, okay, he or she is just looking in this relationship like this way, like, yes, there is something which is always stuck in my mind, okay, but what is it? Their transformation is just going to be happen, okay. So for some people, I think your transformation, your person's transformation is going to be happen soon, and for some of 50% or 30% people, I think like the person's transformation is just completed, okay. So maybe your partner is, as I'm told you, your person may be younger than you, and you are younger than them. There is major age difference I'm seeing. There is problem of maturity also. Let me check the future of this relationship. So I hope so this is resonating with you. If yes, then please let me know in comment section. Okay, one card and one more. What is the future of your relationship? Will you be reunite? Yes, of course. But let me check. Okay. What is the bottom of the deck? 5 of Pentacles. So maybe currently your person is suffering of financial issues, as I told you with this card. Okay. So maybe your person is just like focusing on his career. Okay, so we have the Wheel of Fortune and we have the 7 of Swords. So maybe the final outcome of this relationship is like your person have to be, choose in between you and his or her family, and maybe he have to be, he or she, whatever, he or she have to leave something for getting you. And I think yes, you will be reunite soon. There is Wheel of Fortune card, okay guys. So of course, yes, it's a big yes from my side. Let's check with the romance angels also. They will tell about more significantly the answers. So yes, it's confirmation that of course you will be reunite, and I think soon. Okay, soon. But bottom of the deck we have deception. So yes, right now your person is in deception. He don't want to tell you anything, but yes, this could be the one. This is the one, okay. And there is romantic feelings. So yes, you both complete each other, and this is really very good thing I'm seeing here, okay. Let me check some messages from angels answer also, so it will be confirmed that. Okay, please angels guide us. Okay, we have 2 messages. Peaceful resolution, see, okay. So yes, this is the card of victory, peaceful resolution. Maybe in for future you will be reunite soon. Communicate clearly. Whenever you do prayers and affirmations and using any type of LOA technique, you have to be communicate clearly with the angels, okay. Then the last thing we have good luck. Yes, this partner is good luck for you, okay. So don't be upset. There will be a huge amount of chances that you will be reunite soon, okay. Let me check some messages from your person also. Okay, so what we have, क्या मुझे माफ कर पाओगे? Will you forgive me? Okay. Then we have forgive me please. So there is 2 times forgive me. So maybe you block them, or you are suddenly stopped talking them because you want a solid commitment, but he is not now available and he is not now stable for doing this. Then we have 29, 30 and 31. Maybe these are your birthday dates. And then we have, I'm working towards a better future. Yes, as I told you with these card, where is that card? Where is there it is. Okay, with this card, it's resonating their selves. Okay, he is working on a better future. Then what we have next? We have I. So maybe your person name initial is I. Then we have January and February. Okay, January and February. Maybe birth dates, or you will be reunite. November and December. So November, December is going to become soon. Then we have मैं अभी वही कर रहा हूँ जो करना चाहिए. I'm doing what I have to do in this situation. Yes, he is stuck, but he is doing what he feels it's right. Then we have July and August. So maybe next year July, August, or this year July, August. July is just passed away, but August is still there. I love you when you smile. Yes. So whenever you smile, your person will love it. Your person love this thing. Then we have one more. M. Okay, there is M. So maybe your person initial is M. Then we have date proposals and marriages. Yes. See, cards resonating themselves too. 777. Your manifestation is near. Okay. Karmic. Yes, he is dealing with his karmic, but soon this situation will improve. Unblock me. As I told you, you are blocked them, and stop just talking with them, and now he wants to unblock. Please understand. Okay, so just understand guys and unblock them. आ जाओ मेरी तमन्ना. This is a Hindi song. If you know Hindi language, then must listen it. Okay. O Sathi Re from Omkar movie. Okay, if you are a Hindi listener, then of course you have to listen all these songs. So this is your general reading, and I think this will resonate with everyone, but if not, then forgive me, and if yes, then please comment and like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye.